Welcome to Rebuild Your Life, a lifestyle development project to help you build a better life. This is our video on taking a zinc supplement. Zinc is an essential mineral, which is needed in many aspects of cellular metabolism, and is the 10th most abundant element in the human body. In Western society, zinc is deficient in the standard diet, and is therefore needed as a supplement. Zinc is required for the catalytic activity of approximately 100 enzymes, and it plays a vital role in immune function, wound healing, DNA synthesis, and cell division. A daily intake of a zinc supplement is needed to maintain a steady state, as the body has no specialized zinc storage system. Zinc deficiency can be mild to severe, and is characterized by weight loss, problems with wound healing, decreased ability to taste food, and a lower rate of alertness. More severe zinc deficiency is characterized by a loss of appetite, our immunity not functioning well, impotence, severe hair loss, and eye and skin lesions. A zinc supplement can be taken in many forms, but an easy way to absorb zinc is in liquid form. By adding a few drops of liquid zinc in water, as directed on the bottle, and drinking this daily, it can improve your health. When administering the zinc mixture, take note to see if you can taste any flavor. If not, then this signifies that you have a zinc deficiency. Keep taking the liquid zinc mixture daily, till you can taste the sharp flavor of the zinc, then you may cease to take it. Liquid zinc is highly beneficial, and reduces inflammation, boosts immune health, speeds up wound healing, improves facial acne, and reduces your risk of age-related diseases. For more information, or to find us on Facebook, click on the links in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to receive updates when new videos are posted. Have a healthy day.